Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my slime collection. Unfortunately, I only have 4 slimes, but I used to have a good jillion more, and then I mixed them all, but unfortunately, I have no clue where that big batch went. But today I'm going to show you my slime collection. I mean, one was a absolutely big disaster. I mean, it wasn't a big disaster, but it's really watery. And it was a big fail, I should say that. You know how marshmallows are kind of stiff and stuff? Well, this one's actually really sticky, so I call it roasted marshmallows because I guess they're a little bit stickier. So I don't really like to touch that one that much. Let me get a napkin. Sorry, guys. It's just, I really hate that one. I don't know why I always... So I usually play with it, but then at the end I always wash my hands, of course, because it always has to get all over me. Well, put that aside. And the next slime I'll show you is, I call this one grape slime. I made these 2 today, and I made this one on a video. I decided to name it Grapes, and I think it's a really pretty color. It's really stretchy, but it always has to break. And it's kind of sticking to the table. I've just noticed that. And the second I made this slime, I was super happy. I really enjoy playing with it. And I think it's really cool. Well, let's move with the next slime. The next slime I call Violet Crunch. So the color is violet, and it's crunchy slime because there is floaties. This one I made like super duper long time ago, and it's really bad. And right here, it's actually starting to dry up. Sorry, guys, I have a little bit of a cough right now, but I'll try and get this one out. Definitely added to. I'm so sorry, my throat is really sore when I cough. I just added a little bit too much of borax, or shall I say a lot of borax. And they also pop out, so I don't really enjoy playing with this slime either. So I'll just put this away. And it's actually very cringy. Well, the next slime's going to get a little bit of... Foam bead disaster. We'll just move these to the side. The next slime I actually bought, and I named it Purple Jello. In this slime, it never ever breaks. And it doesn't stick either. It's actually super cool. It really never breaks. What's it called? It's called like Elasti Putty or something. Elasti-Plasti, yeah. It's Elasti-Plasti. I got it at Michael's. It's super cool. It like legit never breaks. I think it's just really cool. And it kind of reminds me of Jello because it's a little bit like, I don't know how to explain it, but when you do this and you bring it back out, like, I don't know. It just reminds me of Jello somehow. I wouldn't really know how to explain it, but, well, that was the last slime, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video, and if you didn't really enjoy this video, then you can give it a thumbs down. But make sure you subscribe. Bye!